Good morning, I'm meteorologist Chita Craft. It's 9 o'clock here on your Monday morning, and what I'm expecting overnight tonight and into Tuesday, tomorrow morning, roads are going to become extremely treacherous. The reason? Take a look at the potential snow forecast. Just updated these numbers for you. It does appear like we could see 2 to 3 inches of snow potentially in northern Harris County and north and west of. Slightly lower accumulations for our western counties, where I think the highest snow accumulations will fall. Southeast Harris County, right through potentially Galveston and Chambers County, and that may include areas like Kemah, League City, Texas City, into Galveston. Now, the further east you go, notice into portions of Louisiana, Port Arthur, that's where we could see even 5, upwards of 7 inches of snow. So it's really the further south and east you go. We do have a winter storm warning that will take effect tonight at 6 p.m. and continue to stay in effect through 6 p.m. tomorrow night. Take a look at our future track. Throughout the day today, clouds build in. That's 4:30 this afternoon. It is cold. It is cloudy. I think most of the moisture will begin after about 6 o'clock. But that's why if you're in place at 6 p.m. this evening, think you're going to stay there through about midday Wednesday. So have your plans and preparations in place. It's overnight tonight that I think sleet, freezing rain, and some snow flurries will all begin to work across the city. I think the best chance for the heaviest snow will be tomorrow morning. Think about 3 a.m. through maybe it's 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's when we're picking up the heaviest snow. We could even see some thunder snow, not out of the question. Then notice by about 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, getting into lunchtime, starts most of that moisture pushes offshore. We even see some clouds break by 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. But this is the problem. Anything that's frozen on the ground or could refreeze overnight, because Wednesday morning you're waking up in the teens. You know, our top 6 snowiest times ever, number 1 coming in from 1895 at 20 inches, not expecting that. But notice from 1960 at about 4.5 inches, 1949 over 3 inches of snow. This is all taken from the big airport at IAH. So we will see. This could very much play out at one of the snowiest days we've ever had here in Houston. This all begins late this evening, continues overnight into Tuesday. Even though we clear out pretty quickly by Tuesday afternoon, it's the hard freeze expected. We're still in the teens to 20s Wednesday morning. By Thursday and Friday, we do warm things up, but we're under a weather impact alert both Tuesday and Wednesday. Have all your preps in place by 6 o'clock this evening. Jen, I'll send it over to you.
All right, Chita, thank you. We are definitely looking at the day today to prep your cars. Anything last minute, make sure you check your tire pressures, check your tire tread depth, make sure that it is in line with what it's supposed to be, especially for any icy or snowy conditions. Today is the day you want to take your car in to rotate any of those tires or replace the tires that are 6 years old or older. For the rest of you who don't have to be on the roads for tomorrow, we suggest highly that you stay put after midnight tonight or even earlier hours. TxDOT crews still out there on different highways, so if you run into them today getting any last minute errands done, please slow your speeds as they are pre-treating the roads to help all of us out. Nice and calm right now. This is the current map at 9 a.m. in the morning in Houston, Texas. We don't have a lot of traffic out there. This is the North Beltway at JFK near the big airport, looking good. A glimpse of I-45, the North Freeway, which is sometimes packed around this time. At Little York, no problems. HOV lane is open. Tomorrow, HOV lanes will be shut down, and so will Metro starting tonight at 9 p.m. or further on. The bus services will be out of service. So speaking of tomorrow, if you have to be out on the roads, be sure to turn those headlights on, reduce your speeds. If you must, use those low-lying traveled roads as opposed to anything with an overpass. Leave plenty of space between you and that next vehicle. Try to gently brake to avoid skidding. Please don't use your cruise control, and try to be aware of any icy spots on the roads. As far as air travel, Bush and Hobby airports will be closed tomorrow. We will keep you updated here and on KHOU.com for the very latest. Good luck, my friends.